CNSAC Disposable EEG Caps, an innovative solution for more effectivity in practice and elimination of cross-contaminations in clinics and hospitals. Use CNSAC Disposable EEG Cap for routine EEG, sleep EEG, and long-term EEG monitoring. CNSAC EEG Cap is compatible with all EEG devices using adapter cables and 1.5mm connectors. How to apply CNSAC Disposable EEG Caps. Connect the adapter cable for disposable EEG caps with your EEG device using 1.5mm DIN connector. The 1.5mm connectors are marked with the corresponding position. Please first select the correct size of cap for your patient. Place the cap on the patient's head and fasten it with the chin strap. Please ensure that the cap sits correctly. Then connect the DB25 connector of the EEG cap to the DB25 connector of the adapter. Then fill a syringe with a blunt needle with EEG ACP paste. EEG ACP is an adhesive conductive EEG paste for EEG monitoring. Then prepare each electrode positions on the scalp using an abrasive skin preparation gel. This is an important step in order to achieve lower impedances during EEG measurement. Now take the syringe filled with EEG ACP paste and fill each electrode with the conductive adhesive paste. Using method 1, by lifting the individual electrodes and injecting or placing the paste into the electrodes. After that, gently press the electrode on the scalp. Or using method 2, by injecting the paste through the electrode hole and then pressing the electrode gently on the scalp to firmly connect the electrode to the scalp. Now check on the monitor whether all signals are stable. Then you can start the EEG measurement. After completing the EEG measurement, please disconnect the cap from the adapter and remove the cap from the patient's head. The EEG ACP is a water-soluble paste, and the residue can be easily wiped off with a damp cloth at the end of the EEG examination. CNSAC disposable cap with extra soft material provides a high-wearing comfort for patients and more effectivity for medical staff. Please feel free to contact us if you need any further information regarding CNSAC Disposable EEG Caps using our contact information below, or visit our website for more information.